Hi everyone, my name is Larissa, Global Artistic Educator with PRAVANA, and today I'm going to be taking you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes look with PRAVANA's brand new ChromaSilk VIVIDS series, Digital Purple. I'm taking my friend Trent from Grown Out Blonde to the perfect Periwinkle. I cannot wait for you to see the final results, so let's get started. The first step to any PRAVANA Vivid application is to pre-lighten the hair to the proper level that will support the vivid tone that you choose. For Trent's hair, I went in with Pure Light Ultra Lightener and Zero Lift Developer on his base as a global blonding retouch. After lifting Trent to a level 10, now it is time to tone to set the tone. I went in with PRAVANA ChromaSilk Platinum Toners and Lilac, and I utilized that all over with Zero Lift Developer. Now that we have pre-lifted Trent's hair, we have toned to set the tone, it's time for our final vivid application of our brand new Digital Purple Periwinkle. On clean, dried, and pre-lightened hair, we are now ready to do Trent's final vivid application. I make sure to take small sections as I'm applying this vivid. Saturation is key when you're doing any vivid application. If you can see your hand behind the section, then it is a go and you can apply because you'll know you'll have great saturation. If you can't see your hand behind your section, then you chance splotchiness and streakiness with your vivid application, and you do not want that. Make sure you're reloading your brush up often, and just in case, make sure you're also utilizing the 3-inch rule. So, what did you think? I personally cannot wait for you to get your hands on the new Digital Purple series. I want to thank you for being here with me today, and make sure to follow me at ml_methods on Instagram. Also, for any of your PRAVANA questions, head to pravana.com and follow them on all their social media platforms. Thank you again for having me, and until next time, happy hair painting.